In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a search bar above the header in Squarespace. Squarespace search bar above header. Squarespace doesn't offer a built-in layout option to put a search bar above your site header, but you can achieve it cleanly with a small amount of HTML and CSS using code injection. I'll walk you through enabling site search, adding the form, styling it so it looks native to your design, and making sure it appears in the right place. Start by confirming that site search is enabled. In your dashboard, go to Website, then Pages, and look for a search page. If you don't see one, add it by clicking the plus icon, choosing Page, and selecting Search. Take note of the page's slug. It will look like bar search. You'll reference that in your form's action URL, so your search field actually performs a site search. Next, add the search form markup. Head to Settings, then Advanced, then Code Injection, and open the header field. Paste your search form HTML there. Keep it simple, a form that points to your search page slug and includes a text input and a submit button. It's a good idea to wrap it in a uniquely named container so you can target it in CSS later. If you already have a snippet prepared, this is where it goes. If not, create a minimal, accessible form and make sure the action directs visitors to your search page when they submit a query. Now style the search bar so it looks intentional and fits your brand. Go to Design, then Custom CS. Target the container you just added to control spacing, background color, borders, and typography. Add padding so the field is comfortable to use, and adjust width so it doesn't feel cramped on desktop or mobile. If your header has a shadow or border, consider mirroring that style so the bar feels like part of the same system. You can also fine-tune alignment to match your logo or navigation, and set an appropriate z-index so the bar remains clickable above other elements. By default, Squarespace renders header code injection above everything, so your new search bar should appear above the site header automatically. If it doesn't, or your template behaves differently, you can reposition it using developer mode, or by placing a code block inside a header section instead. After you style and place it, preview on desktop and mobile, and check multiple pages to ensure consistent spacing, legibility, and behavior. That's it. With a quick form in the header injection and a few CSS tweaks, you'll have a clean, functional search bar sitting right above your Squarespace header.